Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to understand the demonstration of one of the important project in Python. Its name is voice disorder detection using the real-time speech input from the system. So as per as this project is concerned, so many times whenever there is throttle infection or there is some sort of disease so the voice of the person changes, and by detecting that features from that particular sound we will be able to identify the different diseases. So as far as the data set is concerned, so we have different types of disease with their corresponding samples over here. So from these samples we can test any random voice, and based on that we can check whether the particular disease is there or not. In terms of the feature extraction, we are using MFCC features to train our models, and we are using the neural networks plus support vector machine, decision tree, random forest classifier, and KNN algorithm to detect it. So in terms of the technical things, we are using Python at the backend, and at the front end side we are using HTML and CSS along with the JavaScript, plus the Flask framework of Python is being used to create a web application. So the data set is trained on these kind of features, and once it is trained, then we are uploading the voice sample of the user and then detecting the disease. So in order to see the live demo of this, so here is the login page for this. So you can simply put the admin username and password. So it's a basic login thing. So once you log in, so here is the opportunity to choose the file. So for example, I will pick this file from now, then the upload, then the file gets uploaded to the server, and then test. So here you can see the identified disease is diplophony. So this is how any random sound can be uploaded and it can be tested for any disease. Further, as an advancement to this, so the precautions or the suggestions or the treatment can be suggested after identifying the disease. So that's the complete implementation of this project. In case you need any technical support or the code of this project, you can check the description box under this video. Thank you.